Did you know your high yield savings account could be costing you lots of money in the future? I see a lot of financial influencers in their stories saying, hey, you're losing money by not putting your money into a high yield savings account, which is partially true. However, the internet is undefeated. Also, math is undefeated. So let's look at a scenario where you put $100,000 into a high yield savings account, earning, let's just say 5% versus $100,000 earning 5% into an investment. In your high yield savings account making 5%, that 5% is taxable every year based off whatever tax bracket that you're in. So you're actually making less than 5%. So when you compare that to the 5% compounding into an investment, you're not going to pay any taxes until you sell that investment. So after about 30 years, if you kept that $100,000 in a high yield savings account versus if you invested that $100,000 just making 5% into a well-established, slow and steady investment only earning 5%, do you have any idea how much of a difference it would be? The final value of your high yield savings account after 30 years would be about $304,772. The final value of the investment account, and let's say the long-term capital gains tax rate is about 15%, you would have a little over $380,000. So the next time you're listening to a financial influencer saying you're losing money by putting into a high yield savings account, remember that Josh told you that you're actually doing worse by not putting money into an investment account for the long term.